What if an AI agent could browse the internet, bypass CAPTCHAs, and book a flight for you completely on autopilot? Welcome back. Today we're looking at BrowserUse, the #1 open-source browser automation platform that's taking the AI world by storm in 2026. With over 78,000 GitHub stars and the trust of Fortune 500 companies, this tool is designed to let AI agents use the web just like humans do. So how does it actually work? At its core, BrowserUse lets you connect large language models to a highly advanced browser infrastructure. If you're a developer, you can get started instantly by running pip install BrowserUse to use their open-source library. But you don't have to be a coding genius to appreciate what this can do. They offer fully hosted web agents and a feature called the BrowserUse Box, which is a 24/7 Claude-powered agent you can control directly from Telegram, the web, or SSH. You can literally text it to find and book the earliest flight from Zurich to San Francisco, and it gets to work. One of the biggest hurdles for web AI is getting blocked by websites. BrowserUse solves this with their stealth browsers. They run undetected browser infrastructure that spoofs your digital fingerprint, including your Canvas, WebGL, and audio data, while routing through residential proxies across more than 195 countries. This means it easily bypasses CAPTCHAs and Cloudflare protection. They've also optimized the cost of running these agents. Their new cloud infrastructure starts at just 2 cents per hour with sub-second cold starts. Plus, they support custom LLMs purpose-built for browser automation, giving you highly efficient task per dollar ratios using models like Gemini Flash, Sonnet 4.5, or their custom BU53 model. Now, let's talk about reviews. Because this is a highly specialized developer platform and infrastructure tool, traditional consumer reviews are currently limited. However, the massive open-source community backing on GitHub and its adoption by major enterprise teams speak volumes about its reliability. On the plus side, you get incredible stealth features, self-healing browser harnesses, and incredibly cheap cloud hosting. On the downside, if you want to dictate it deeply, you will need some basic technical knowledge to work with their API and Python library. If you want to build web scrapers, automate QA testing, or set up your own personal AI assistant to do your online chores, go to browseruse.com and try it out. What would you automate first with an AI browser? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials.